Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of smart TVs, and boy, do I have a treat for you. Get ready to be blown away by the INSIGNIA 50 class F50 Series LED 4K UHD Smart Fire TV. This isn't just any TV. It's a game changer that'll transform your living room into a home theater paradise. Stick around, because in the next few minutes, I'll show you why this TV is flying off the shelves and why you need to get your hands on one ASAP. Now, let's talk about what makes this INSIGNIA TV so special. First off, we're looking at a stunning 50-inch 4K UHD display that'll make your favorite shows and movies pop like never before. The colors are vibrant, the blacks are deep, and the detail is so crisp, you'll feel like you're right in the middle of the action. But wait, there's more. This isn't just a pretty face, it's got brains too. Powered by Fire TV, this smart TV gives you access to thousands of channels, apps, and Alexa skills. That's right, you heard me. Alexa is built right in. Want to change the channel, adjust the volume, or even order a pizza? Just ask Alexa, and consider it done. Speaking of convenience, let's talk about that Alexa voice remote. It's not just any remote. It's like having a personal assistant right in your hand. You can search for your favorite content, control your smart home devices, and even check the weather, all without lifting a finger. It's so easy, even your grandma could use it. Now, I know what you're thinking. This all sounds great, but what about the price? Well, hold on to your hats, because the value you're getting here is insane. This INSIGNIA TV delivers premium features at a fraction of the cost of other big-name brands. It's like getting a luxury car for the price of a bicycle. But don't just take my word for it. Customers are raving about this TV. John from Ohio says, "I was skeptical at first, but this TV blew me away. The picture quality is amazing, and the smart features make streaming a breeze." And Sarah from California adds, "Best purchase I've made all year." The Alexa integration is a game changer. Now, here's the kicker. This TV comes in various sizes to fit any space. Whether you're looking for a cozy 43-inch for your bedroom, or a massive 75-inch to dominate your living room, INSIGNIA has got you covered. There's literally a size for every need and budget. So, what are you waiting for? If you're in the market for a new TV that combines stunning visuals, smart features, and incredible value, the INSIGNIA F50 Series is the way to go. Trust me, your Netflix binges will never be the same again. Don't miss out on this amazing deal. Click the link in the description to check out the INSIGNIA 50 class F50 Series LED 4K HD Smart Fire TV on Amazon. And hey, while you're at it, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to stay up to date with all our latest product reviews. Until next time, happy watching.